students, welcome to important questions on surface areas and volumes. This is question number 6. Let's read the question. Consider a frustum of cone of base radii small or equal to 10 centimeters and capital R equal to 20 centimeters, and the height is 21 centimeters. Slant length is not given. Determine the volume of the frustum. That's a question. You should know this formula. Of course, we can derive it by taking it as a full cone and then cutting it into parts. But the derivation part, let's leave it here. You are supposed to remember this formula. Volume of the frustum equal to pi times a small r square plus capital R square plus small r into capital R times the h separation between them. This is a formula. Now let us take one unit conversion. Whenever you have centimeter cube, you can always convert it to liters. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 decimeter cube, which is also called 1 liter. So 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter is something that you should remember. Now let us go to the substitution part. Pi is approximately equal to 22 by 7. Small r is given as 10. Capital R is given as 20. And h21, simply substitute there. So the volume is going to be centimeter cube, units wise. Now you see 7 3s are 21. 3 into 22 will become 66 outside the bracket. Inside 10 square will be 100. 20 square is 400. 10 into 20 will become 200. That is going to be the next step of the simplification. Now you see 100 plus 400 plus 200. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 700. 700 into 66. 7 6 are 42. 420 plus 42. So you get 46200. 46200 centimeter cube you will get. But if you want to convert that in liters, divide by 1000. So you get 46.2 liters. And that's the answer. Volume of the frustum given. Thank you very much.